Hello everyone. In this video we will see how to create a developer's account on Google and how to set an app for Google Meet connection. So first of all you have to visit to this URL console.cloud.google.com. So I'm clicking on this URL and this specific URL will take you to this Google Cloud Platform page. If you haven't logged in yet, definitely it will ask you to log in, or if you are already logged in, then definitely it will show your user image, your user profile image on the top right corner. Just beside this Google Cloud Platform, there is an option where you can see the project name, and from this down arrow you can click and create your new project. So I am creating a new project right now and I'm naming it as Connect to Salesforce and click on Create. You can click on Select Project from here, or you can select project from this drop down arrow itself. So right now I'm selecting Connect to Salesforce and it will take us to the project page. Now we need to enable the API for the project. So we can come to this API section and click on Go to APIs Overview. And from here, click on this Enable APIs and Services option. So we will search for calendar and we will get one Google Calendar API over here. So just click on it and click on enable. So from here we will go to the APIs and services dashboard page. So for that, click here on the APIs and services option. Right now we need to create credential for our current API and we need to create an OAuth consent screen for it. So first of all, let's click on OAuth consent screen. On the OAuth consent screen, the first thing you have to select is the user type. Now click on the external user type and click on create. In this edit app registration, you have to provide an app information. So I'm providing a name for it. In the user support email, by default, it will choose the email of the current logged in user. And in the authorized domain section, click on add domain and specify salesforce.com. In the developer contact information, you can specify the email ID of your developer and just click on save and continue. Now from the scopes page, you have to add scopes for the calendar. So click on add or remove scopes. So these will be the four scopes: auth calendar read only, auth calendar.events and auth calendar.events.read only. Click on update. Now click on save and continue. It will ask you to add test users. So click on add users and I'm specifying the email ID of the user who is going to test it. At max, you can provide 100 email IDs over here and click on add and click on save and continue. So once our OAuth consent screen is ready, we can move on to create the credentials. So to create it, just click on the credentials and from here click on create credentials and from here select OAuth client ID. From here you have to select the application type, which will be web application. You need to provide a client name for it. You can provide any name according to your choice. So for the random URI, I have entered login.salesforce.com and once you get your callback URI, you will replace it over here. Now click on create and our OAuth client is created. Click on OK. You can open your OAuth client and you can copy the client ID and secret from here. Now this client ID and secret will be required when you are creating your OAuth provider in Salesforce. Once that is created successfully, copy the callback URI and paste it over here and click on save. So that's it in this video. Thank you.